Hello, I'm Patrick Jamison, and today we're going to install the Estate Series Horizontal Roller 375. In this video, I'm going to unpackage the window and show you some of the suggested tools you'll need for this install. Here are some of the suggested tools you'll need for the install. Starting with the right size level, cordless impact screw gun, glass cup, tape measure, Phillips screwdriver, balance hook tool, the HR sill track installation tools, razor knife, and the appropriate sealant. Here's the aluminum horizontal roller. The configuration is an XO. I'm now ready to unpackage the product safely. To recap, I'm now unpackaged the window and showed you some of the suggested tools you'll need for the install. In the next video, I'm going to show you the beginning steps of how to install this horizontal roller 375.